Why don't senior citizens trust three-wheel electric bikes? Because they can't stand the idea of a third wheel even in retirement. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on three-wheel electric bikes for seniors. Tip 1. Start with a test ride. Before purchasing a three-wheel electric bike, it's important to take a test ride. It will help you determine whether you are comfortable using it and if it's the right fit for you. Comfort and usability should be your main considerations, as well as if you can easily get on and off of the bike. Tip 2. Consider the bike's stability. One of the main reasons seniors choose a three-wheel electric bike over the traditional two-wheel is its increased stability. It's still important, however, to ensure the bike you choose is indeed stable. Look for a low center of gravity and a wide wheelbase, as they can greatly enhance the bike's stability, making it safer for older riders. Tip 3. Choose the right motor power. Depending on your needs and the terrain you'll mostly be biking on, you should consider the strength of the bike's motor. If you live in a hilly area or plan on carrying heavy loads, a stronger motor is necessary. A less powerful motor should suffice for primarily flat terrains and lightweight carrying. Tip 4. Examine battery life. The bike's battery life is another key element to consider. If you plan on long-distance riding, a bike with a long battery life will be crucial. Otherwise, you may find yourself stuck far from home with a dead battery. Tip 5. Check the seat comfort. The comfort of the bike seat will play a large role in how often and how long you can use the bike. You would want a bike with a nice padded seat for optimal convenience. Tip 6. Ensure easy operation. The controls should be easily operable with clear and accessible buttons and gears. Overly complicated controls can result in confusion and possibly even accidents. Tip 7. Look at the storage options. Many seniors use their bikes for errands, so a bike with built-in storage can be handy. Look for ones with baskets or cargo areas for carrying groceries or other items. Tip 8. Prioritize safety features. Important safety features include lights, mirrors and reflectors to increase visibility. Some electric bikes may also come with built-in alarms or locks for additional safety when parked. Tip 9. Consider adjustable speed. An electric bike with adjustable speed settings allows riders to start slow and gradually increase their pace as they become more comfortable and confident. This feature can help prevent accidents caused by uncontrollable speeds. Tip 10. Think about maintenance needs. Some bikes may require more frequent care than others, which can be difficult for some seniors. Look for a bike that needs minimal maintenance to keep it in good condition. Tip 11. Check the warranty. Lastly, check the warranty of the three-wheel electric bike. It's wise to choose a bike that offers a comprehensive warranty to ensure any future issues with the bike can be resolved without incurring additional costs.